I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2008 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. So first, turn the ignition key 2 clicks to the on position. So we're going to be resetting that light right there. So we need to set your odometer to the odometer. So this button, this trip button, set it to odometer. Okay, so now you're going to turn the ignition off. Okay, at the same time now you're going to be holding the trip button down. Now turn the ignition key 2 clicks to the on position. So that's how you reset a maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.